Hi, so this is the project for 564, and its background is that mental illnesses are often co-occurring, and a person's mental health can be detected through their use of language, such as excessive use of first-person pronoun, for example. So this project tries to visualize textual data from mental health subreddits on Reddit to see if their subreddit labels are mental illnesses that often co-occurs, and are they linguistically similar. So I try to visualize this. And the metrics I use for linguistic similarity is bigrams, term TF-IDF, and syntax and readability, which is like difficult words or what reading level is it. That's metrics. These are the three metrics. And this is a TSNE plot. And these are the subreddits that I collected data from off of Reddit. And they were cleaned and analyzed. So some background of the TSNE, and this is the heat map. The heat map shows the cosine similarity between, say, suicidality and addiction. And if you mouse over it, it tells you addiction, suicidality, the cosine similarity, and the p-value. So you get these. And in this, the query that we want to know is, are they similar? If they are co-occurring in real life, are they linguistically similar? So actually, yeah. So this is the scatter plot. It's a TSNE plot. And the dimensions of the data are about 500. The bigram and TF-IDF are originally 1,000, but they were put into PCA and compressed, and dimensionality reduction was applied to put them in for n components equals 2. And then they are fed into TSNE, and I just tried perplexity values until it looked okay. So if you click on these, the corresponding data is shown here. So there are only 5 dimensions for syntax. There are not 5. There's like 10, I think. So it's very little. So features of this is, if I mouse over, these are sampled from over 100K posts, over like a 100,000 posts. So these are sampled within respect to their subreddit, and also with respect to their percentage occurring in real life. So features are, you could zoom in, you could drag, and if you mouse over this thing, it shows you the actual post. So this is, and these are the keys. If you mouse over a key, it will also just highlight the bubbles in the key. So see, it will highlight. So the amount of bubbles is the frequency occurs in real life as well. And you could highlight, so this post is from depression, this post is from suicidality, anxiety, ADHD, and yes, these are the original posts. So it's fun data exploration if you want to see why they're clustered here. Why TSNE group them here. You could also zoom in more because it's kind of hard to click on individual circles. And you can zoom back out. You drag. It doesn't drag on white, unfortunately. And for this similarity heat map, you could, for suicidality, these are cosine similarity values, and if you mouse over it, it shows you the p-value. So in this case, we actually want a p-value that is far away from 0, because the null hypothesis is that they are the same, which means that it proves the it doesn't prove, but it supports the hypothesis that comorbid disorders are linguistically similar. So we want them to be similar. So we want high p-values. So high p-values are good, and we can see high p-values are good. So this is syntax. This is term freq TF-IDF, and you could likewise go through. They highlight. So these are the percentages of in real life occurring. I think I said that, but and you could read posts, and you could zoom in, explore the world of mental illness, and yes, that's about it.